Hi there, thanks for tuning in and watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of Eco Wash Industries. Now, if you're doing some research, you're thinking about starting this business, here at EWI, we build all our components in-house. Everything from the lifters, the generators, the hot water skids, flatbeds. On the back side of this vehicle, we make sure we're taking care of everything in-house, offering you better warranties, better customer service. Because we're heading into our 8th year on the service side, we put together a nice little pro forma to break down how you can scale this business, turn one truck into multiple trucks, and in less than 2 years, you could be earning 7-figure profits, okay? Going into about 5 trucks. Now, we specialize on dumpsters and residential cleaning, and we make sure that our clients are starting out this business with both. You want both because you don't want to be limited. Let's say you start with a trailer or a truck and you're only doing residential. To think that you could jump inside dumpsters to wash them out is a huge no. There's too much liability. At the end of the day, you have to be properly equipped if you're going to want to scale this business. Otherwise, real trash leaders, trash haulers, city department, trash head procurement, they're just going to skip you. They're going to Google around you. They're going to find your competitor who probably has more proper equipment to actually maintain working in a trash yard like this. They'll hire them before you, and it could potentially put your business in jeopardy. Now, I'm not saying trucks and trailers that only do residential don't work. Obviously, they work. They can wash cans fast. They can wash them efficient. That's great. Just note there's a bigger picture here, and we've learned this by being in the industry. Down below, there's a link. Click the link. Join me in a live seminar every weekend. I like to break down to a group of people who are thinking about doing this business, the discounts you get, what we offer you as a potential client. Click the link down below. I'd love to chat with you. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.